Welcome to WiZiGa. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get your business fully operational in minutes. Let's get started with account settings. When you first log in, confirm your company profile settings for accuracy, your time zone, your sales tax settings. Edit as needed. Set your default time in, time out. Add your online calendar, timesheet reminders, and other options. Let's go over billing rates. You already have one default rate when your account was set up. Add additional rates or modify your existing rates here. You have three options: set rate, cost plus amount, cost plus percent. Add the cities you work in. Client types. Several defaults have already been set. For example, builder, business, homeowner, or all the above. Last two settings, job types, job styles. Let's get this done. Several job types have already been created to get you started. Job types are things like service, upgrades, wiring, renovation, whatever makes sense to you. And the last setting is job styles. Several defaults have already been created. For example, residential, commercial, house, townhouse, whatever makes sense to your business. That's it for account settings. Take a few minutes and make sure your account settings are accurate and you'll be good to go. Step 2, let's add a client. On the left side of your dashboard, click on Clients and click on Add. Input your client details, type of client they are, is the client commercial, residential, etc. Step 3, let's add your crew. On the left side of the dashboard, select Users and click Add User. Input the user information, set their pay rate, give them a password, set their permission as either crew, manager, or administrator. Okay, we've gone over the basic account settings, adding a client, adding a user. Let's get on to adding a job. There are several options for adding a job: streamlined quick entry, importing data, or detailed including using templates. On the top left of your dashboard, select Job Add, choose your client. Choose additional line items like labor and materials. If you have created job templates, you can select them here. Select the client's address, choose a new address or past addresses. Select the job type, make sure your notes are accurate. If you've used templates, a lot of financial data is pre-filled. Select the Labor tab and go over your labor line items. You'll see the description, the quantities, which is based on hours, the billing rate, the type of labor, and your hourly labor costs, which is based on your user pay rates. If you selected any line items, or if your templates have any line items in them, they will show up here. Add new items on the fly, put in the units, cost, and your sale price. If you've created or imported any price lists, then you can select them from that drop-down menu. Keep going until you enter in all the materials you're going to need. Select the Task tab. All jobs must have tasks. Any tasks from job templates you're using are imported. If you've created task templates, they're available. Enter additional tasks either by pasting a list of tasks or entering one by one. Select the Assign tab, assign your crew to the job, review all your information on your job, and save it. That's it, first job entered. Okay, let's get this job scheduled. There are three ways to get to scheduling a job: either inside Job Details, from the Jobs menu, or from the dashboard on the job itself. From the dashboard, open up Active Jobs, select the job, click on the Schedule button. That takes you to the Schedule page. Assigned users are automatically notified of the scheduled job, and you can notify your clients as well. Now the job shows up under your Scheduled Jobs list. A calendar file is created that you can automatically import into your favorite online calendar. And last thing in this video, let's do a timesheet. On the main dashboard at the top, there is a big green timesheet button. Select the job you need to do a timesheet for. Fill in the timesheet form data. Doing a timesheet typically takes about 1 minute. All timesheets must have notes input. What did they actually do for the timesheet hours being entered? This is really important for accountability and for referencing in the future if you need to go back over the notes of what was done. Tasks can be checked off as done by the user. If you're an administrator, you can prioritize and set due dates. If you need to add new tasks, just enter them one line by line. And that's the timesheet done. If you want to upload any pictures, you can do that here. And that's it. You're ready to run your business with WiZiGa job management software. Take the time to go over your account settings, make sure they're accurate, and then start exploring all the other features within WiZiGa that we did not have time to cover in this little intro video. Sign up for a free trial at WiZiGa.com.